Hi everyone, this is Ms. DeLu, and this is a quick lesson about how to set up your academic papers using MLA Format. MLA Format means Modern Language Association, which is an organization responsible for developing the MLA format. It was developed as a means for researchers, students, and scholars in the literature and language fields to uniformly format their papers and assignments. This uniform or consistent method to developing a paper or assignment allows for easy reading. Today, MLA is not only used in literature and language subject areas, many others have adopted it as well. So you may see that your other teachers across different curriculums also ask for this style of setup on academic papers. Let's get started. When you open a Google document, a blank Google document, you might want to double check that the setup for the margins is the way it should be for MLA. And if you click on File and scroll down to Page Setup, you can check that it should be on whole document, and each of the margins, top, bottom, left, and right, should be 1 inch. And this looks good, so we are set with that requirement. The next step is to set up a header. So we're going to come over to where it says Insert, and our header is going to include page numbers. So we're going to come down to page numbers. You'll see a menu to the right, and you will come up here and you will select the numbers to be in the upper right hand corner. You'll notice that your cursor is to the right of the number, so you want to move it to the left. And this is where you are going to type your last name. I'm going to make up a last name, so I'm going to say it's Schmo, and then I'm going to have a space. So this would be the last name, and then you'd have the number. Now I want to make sure that all my writing, the font style and size is consistent. And so I'm going to fix this one. I want it to be a number 12. The size will be 12, and the style will be Times New Roman. You'll also notice that I'm not making it in italics. What this will do is, if you get to 2 or 3 pages, you'll see that it will still say your last name on the second page, but it will say your last name and a number 2. Now I'm just going to come down here and click down here, and you'll see that the indication of the header is gone and your cursor is aligned to the left. You can see the alignment here, and we'll get started now on what we are going to put for our heading. Now you're going to write your first and last name. Of course, it needs to be capitalized. I have my fake name here. Then you'll hit the return, and you will then add my name. The next step is to hit the return and add your period number. I'm just going to write period 1, and you're going to write the right period for that you have me. The next is the course title. And the way that Monterey High wants us to write the course title is IB-Middle Years Program space Language and Literature and your grade, and in this case I'll put grade 10. The last space, the last part of this heading is going to be the date, and you're going to write the due date. And the way that it's set up is you put the actual day of the month, and then the month, and then the year. I'm going to hit return, and next we're doing a title. I'm going to bring this over to be centered, so the title should be centered, and you can make an appropriate title for your essay, or well, it has to be an appropriate title. You don't want to make it all crazy. Now with my title, I'm just going to write the word title, If you have more than one word, remember titles, most of the words need to be capitalized unless it is less than 3 letters and it is not a noun or a verb. This last part of setting up the heading is we're going to make sure that, again, that we have it under the right size. So we're going to make this a size 12, and we're going to make it a Times New Roman. But another step is for MLA format, we want to have a double space. So I'm going to come down here and write double, and we are set. You'll notice that the title is in the same size and style font. So those days are done if you used to make that into a bigger size font. After this, you are ready to add your essay.